48-piece cake decorating supplies set, turntable stand, 2 spatulas, 24 cone tips, 11 pastry bags, 2 couplers, decorating pen, 3 scrapers, flour lifter, flour pin, cleaning brush, gift box. Do you know all the varieties of tools you need to decorate a cake beautifully? Are you confused which combination of tools or kit to purchase? Is buying more than one kit or tools too expensive for you? Are you looking for one decorating set that has all the essential tools you need to decorate an impressive cake immediately? If so, then look no further. Live Bright, the complete cake decorating supply set, is the answer to all your questions. Live Bright Premium Cake Decorating Supply Set is a complete kit of all possible tools required for cake and cupcake decoration. We choose the best and most popular cone piping tips along with a full set of additional elements to help you create unique cake decoration styles. Using our tools, you will be able to create very complicated and elegant detailed styles on your cakes. Our tools are extremely durable and reusable, so you can use them endless times and be sure that they won't lose their quality. It's dishwasher safe, so cleaning your new bakery tools won't be a problem at all. 48 pieces set includes 1x11 cake turntable, 24x cone piping tips and pattern chart, 3x scrapers, 1x angled spatula, 1x icing spatula, 1x decorating pen, 1x cleaning brush, 2x cone couplers, 10x disposable pastry bags, 1x reusable pastry silicone bag, 1x flour pin, 1x flour lifter, 1x attractive gift box. HIGH quality MATERIALSWe. We have used 100% safe food grade 304 stainless steel and BPA-free, non-toxic plastic, so you can be sure our product is completely safe. 100% money back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our main priority, so if for any reason you won't like our product, we will refund you without any hesitation. Click Add to Cart button now to take advantage of this great offer. 48-piece cake decorating kit with pattern chart. Live Bright's premium cake decorating set comes with a complete range of tools, 24 cone tips with pattern chart, revolving turntable, 3 scrapers, icing spatula, angled spatula, 2 cone couplers, 10 disposable icing bags, reusable silicone icing bag, decorating pen, cleaning brush, flour lifter, flour pin and a gift box. This has all the essential accessories necessary to beautifully decorate without needing to purchase multiple of other tools. Non-slip turntable stand. The rotating cake stand has a non-slip rubber base, giving it stability and keeping it in place when decorating around the cake. The 11-inch platform rotates smoothly in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, which is great for left or right-handed decorators. 24 most popular pipping tips with pattern chart. We have carefully hand-picked the most popular seamless cone icing tips that are a must-have for all cake decorators. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.